Good morning. The finance minister got into action once again and announced that he would nearly halve the deficit in just over 4 years. Expectations are that such an announcement could increase the chances of a rate cut today. Unveiling a 5 year roadmap for fiscal consolidation to promote investments, contain inflation, and take India to high growth trajectory, the finance minister said that it will continue its efforts to restrict fiscal deficit in the current financial year to 5.3% of GDP. The rupee weakened past the 54 level against the dollar ahead of the RBI meet. The RBI has indicated that it's ready to support growth and interest rate if macro risk from inflation and twin deficit recede further. In its macroeconomic and monetary developments second quarter review 2012-13, the RBI said growth inflation balance warrants careful policy calibration as growth slows but inflation risk persists. A CRR cut is widely expected. Will the RBI oblige on a rate cut? We will know in a few hours. The start is said to be subdued with no clear global cues. Asian markets are lackluster. Hurricane Sandy resulted in a shortened session for the US markets, which will remain closed on Tuesday. Oil futures ended below $86 a barrel, while gasoline prices rose. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 766 million in the cash segment on Monday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 97.5 million as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is: we recommend buying Satyam Computers above Rs 107 for the target price of Rs 112 and a stop loss placed at Rs 104.5. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Raymond November futures above Rs 385 for the target price of Rs 395 and a stop loss placed at Rs 380. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.